Good morning.
Morning, brother.
What did we think of Playku?
Had a pizza restaurant. that's all that we cared about.
Yeah.
So we got here, and the first thing we did was Google a pizza restaurant because it's quite, as you can see, it's quite a big city. So it started off with, we thought they might have a Burger Bros, but so I typed in burger, and then this Italian restaurant around the corner came across, and that is what they gave us. We liked it so much that we bought takeaway. What is that on top of it? Is that seaweed?
I don't know. You bought it.
Don't do it!
Because that will just slip down.
What are you doing?
Lashing a pizza to the back of my bike. It's breakfast.
My present.
We did buy you a rice hat, and this man has worked out how to attach it to his bicycle. Good job.
One of those.
One of what?
One of those.
Yes. James, we found a bakery.
Found it last night, didn't we?
Oh, such a relief. Breakfast.
It smells amazing.
Look, they have brioche with chocolate in it.
So good morning. Today is a good day because, as you can see, it starts in the bakery. They have pain au chocolat, they have donuts. I'm a happy boy.
This guy wants to be on the camera.
Good?
Yeah.
You got pizza for breakfast, pizza for lunch.
Double pizza.
Is it nice?
Are you going to get something, or are we going to go?
Let's go.
Morning.
Good morning.
You can see where we stayed last night. That beautiful tower.
The biggest tower in Playku. And we are going to leave today, leave the city, and tonight we're staying in the middle of nowhere. We can't even book a hotel.
That's the first time this happened this whole trip, isn't it?
Yeah, so we'll just rock up and see.
Drive in the dark, nobody home, wading through your pond in the yard where you shimmer and glow. And I wonder if I should go, but you wanted me to
What?
stay.
You dropped your mango and then you dropped this bottle, and we had to do the drone, done like 10k, going an hour.
Yesterday we had such a good start, and today it's just
Don't chase me.
all going wrong. How have the dogs been in the last few days?
Angry.
Yeah.
Yeah, they chase after you, don't they?
So another 65 miles on today's route, most of which downhill, and then I climb up to the finish, which is a small town called, I have no idea, and I'm not even going to try and pronounce it for you. Do you know what it's called? Suck my d. Can't put that in.
You okay?
I love beeps. What would we do without beeps? Nice hat.
I ended up stupidly not putting sun cream on yesterday, so hence where I've tried to roll my base layer down as far as it will go to cover up some of this red, some of that. Fun?
On a road tyre without tubeless. No.
Yeah. But I mean, well, you've just been filming the holes, haven't you?
That bit's not as bad.
You
as the
weird
bit we've just
Westerner.
ridden on. Yeah, the guy came up to me, he was like, "What are you filming? Why are you filming the ground?"
It's never going to work.
No.
There's a bit of a lip, isn't it?
On one side only.
Yes.
But it's not sharp, which is good.
So yeah, our not great start this morning got a little bit worse when James had a blowout. Luckily we've been able to fix it. He's not running tubeless anymore, he's replaced it with a tube, and he's just a bit worried that the bulging rim is going to blow out at some point. So fingers crossed it holds and we can get through this absolutely awful road and back onto the main route for today.
And I feel like I should go, and you wanted it that way.
And I've never seen. They're quite cold as
The
well.
retro ones.
Yeah.
Good job.
She just charged me 20,000 for 3 Pepsi.
That's like 80p.
Less than that.
Is it? Why have we stopped, Francis?
Puncture number 2.
Number
This time it was caused by a piece of metal in James's wheel, the same wheel that we just repaired. Which is so weird.
Dog shit everywhere.
Yes. Unnecessary. Unnecessary.
How else is he going to let people know that he's selling his buckets?
It's just, why does everyone feel like they need a microphone attached to their scooter?
That's like an ice cream man.
No, it's about 1,000,000 times more annoying than an ice cream tune.
It is more annoying because they don't sell ice cream. We are helping by watching. As usual. As usual. That was unnecessary.
That was unnecessary, yeah. Yeah.
No one else built these walls, made of pure glass, higher to fall. No one else taking my calls. Can you see right through me? Crystal castle, cracking or crumble. Weightless in the morning, in the evening I'll stumble.
So we made it to the halfway point today. We've done just over 50k. It's taken us 2 hours. Now we're on a slightly bigger road. It's a lot more plain sailing. Less holes in the road, thank goodness. James's tyre seems to be holding okay, despite the fact it hasn't quite seated properly and it's wobbling a little bit. A bit wobbling, nothing we're not used to.
Good thinking, boss. What we do?
You stop here, eat some pizza,
Oh yeah.
drink some cold drinks.
Oh man. This was the best idea ever.
Yes. I don't like cold pizza,
But
but I like cold pizza significantly more than rice or noodles or rice and noodles or rice noodles.
pizza has never tasted so good. Look at that face.
Why is it so windy?
He's never happy.
I don't know if I'm okay with this.
Oh my god, mate.
Mate,
Come on.
They are young and soft.
run! Run!
Yeah, but
There's one that's escaped. Oh no, he's got a name now! Should we buy it for you?
so does that mean he's mine now?
Yes, mate. You got to carry him. You got to look after him.
You got to walk him every day.
So with it being Chris,
I can clear my snack pouch.
all right, fine. Your snack patch is bigger,
Yes.
so it's a little bit roomier.
I will just have to get rid of all the snacks for this guy.
Who we're gonna have as a snack later?
No. We're
No.
not eating him.
No, we don't do that
No.
because
That's what they
we
do.
would never eat chicken.
I wouldn't put him in a plastic bag, that's for sure. Oh, I can't watch. Stop it. How many more can I buy?
20,000. How much money have I got on me? 20,000.
20,000 is like what?
50p.
50p
50p for a chicken.
for a chicken.
I think he likes you.
I literally don't know what to think of this.
I'm just confused right now.
It is better than him being in a plastic bag.
Wait, let me just put him there for a second. Just go in. Just go in there. Come on. Chicken's behaving.
Chicken is, yeah. Very windy.
It is so windy.
We're
I
into a headwind for the last hour.
feel a bit sorry for
I
it.
think we've changed direction a little bit, which I think is in our favour.
Yeah.
But we can't tell because we've been going uphill. But we're about to go downhill and find out.
Call my phone. Trusting I could answer you when you're feeling alone. And I wonder if I should go.
Hello! Almost there.
Yeah, mate. Love cycling. Love Vietnam.
We're on a descent, why are we going fast?
Look, water, look.
He's thirsty, isn't he? Because he's been in a bin bag for the last
It's 30 degrees.
however long.
And he's been in a bin bag. I'm gonna find him some food as well. We're gonna find him some bread.
Will he eat Oreos?
I don't think he'll eat Oreos. So we've arrived into town. This is actually the first night of the whole trip so far where we haven't got a booking.com reservation. So we're just hoping we can turn up, find somewhere, and yeah, we're just rolling the dice and going with it. The weather looks pretty dark and scary, gloomy here, but it looks like we just got here before the rain.
If I should go, but you wanted me to stay, and I feel like I should go, and you wanted it that way.
We went a whole 24 hours without rice, noodles, or food.
I think, well,
And it feels good.
it does feel good, but what do you reckon our next meal's going to be?
Pizza.
I have good news and I have bad news.
What's that?
I have my passport. We have bus to send. The bad news is there's no lift.
Oh, that's okay.
Up we go. You're a bit bored of being in there, aren't you, mate? You shat everywhere.
Oh, there you go. Look how happy he is to be out. Good boy.
Sticking like
What do you think?
overnight.
In the sink?
Yeah. Yeah, lay the bag in the sink because he'll get used to the smell of the bag.
Okay.
So
Has he
Kevin's
shat
got-
on?
Yeah, I
Has
think
he shat
has.
on the bag?
A little bit. If you put him in there, he might not be able to get out.
Oh, I feel like I'm having a dream still.
Poor little guy.
Yes. They had vegan food.
They had vegan food, and Professor now has a home.
We gave the chicken away.
I think we did a good thing there. I bought you a chicken that was clearly set up for death,
Yes.
and we've given it to these kind people who have offered to raise it.
And they don't eat meat, so it might be
we
okay.
suspect they might be vegan because they're the only people in this country that have offered us vegan food,
Yes.
or at least vegan-friendly food.
So the chicken's going to have a very long and healthy life thanks to us.
I hope so. Well, let's face it, it couldn't spend the rest of its life in your in your snack pouch, could it?
Oh yes. That's true.
It's a good thing.
Yes. Well, that's what we're saying anyway.
Very good, very good.